Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I kind of wanted to switch things up a little bit. Well, not switch things up like crazy, but I've never done like a PR haul for YouTube. I'm always doing them on TikTok, but I feel like I never really get to show you guys like things that I get in PR. And some of the things that I get in PR, I'm like shocked because I'm like, this is like such like a full circle moment because I've been doing this for literally years. Over the last 2 years, I definitely have dedicated myself a lot more to this than I have like at any other point that I've been doing this. So I kind of wanted to share with you guys things that I've got this week in PR because there are some really like cool things in here. And I also have like a slight Ulta haul. If you guys are interested to see like what micro influencers get in PR like during the week, if that makes sense, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this because I'm really excited to show you guys this. I'm gonna start off with something that I actually received not this week but the week before, and I did talk about it on TikTok already, but I really want to show this to you guys. So this is a PR box from Lancome. So they sent over their brand new La Vie Belle elixir. So this little guy right here is a diffuser, which you guys smells incredible. I think that this perfume may be like my favorite perfume that I've ever smelled ever. And then over here is the actual elixir. I think elixir is like a step above like a perfume, so I feel like it's supposed to last a lot longer. And you guys, this diffuser, like I haven't even sprayed it with the actual perfume yet and I can just smell it. Oh, it smells incredible. When I unboxed this, I was like, I'm never gonna get rid of this box because first of all, do we see how absolutely, you can see everything. It's like a real like leather box. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm just so thankful that I was able to like receive this. So this box is going like, it's gonna be going over there at some point because it's such like an accomplishment. It's probably like, how do you even get on like PR lists? So a little inside scoop, a lot of the time they will either like Instagram DM you or email you and ask you like for your address. I used to do a lot of like reaching out to brands and that did get me on a few PR lists, but I feel like it's not as like genuine as the brand actually reaching out to you. So like I kind of stopped doing that because I was getting somewhere and then I wasn't getting somewhere. So I just kind of stopped. And then like a lot of them started coming to me and I was like, all right, like I'm okay with this. So this next brand actually is one of the brands that emailed me. So I had heard of them, but I didn't know too much about them. So this is from the brand Hume Hume. It's like a natural like deodorant brand. So they sent over, I love when they send like little like notes, like personalized notes. It's actually so cute. So they sent over 2 stick deodorants and then a cream all over body deodorant. So I did open one of them. I don't like to open like all of the deodorants if I do get them in PR because I don't want them to go bad. So this is in the scent, what scent is this? Oh, Amber Woods. And you guys, it smells really freaking good. It's a completely all natural like organic brand. I haven't had a chance to try it yet, but I definitely am interested because I'm a sweaty girl. Like I sweat a lot. So a natural deodorant for me, like I'm super picky about them because I sweat a lot and I just, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, and that's the truth. But this, I'm so excited to try this. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. Then you guys, Naturium. Whenever I get a package from Naturium, I'm always like, oh, I can't believe this. Like this is so nice. So they just launched a new cream, a new multi-peptide cream. So they launched the multi-peptide rich cream and they already have the serum. I'm gonna read you guys what it says on the card. So it says our ultra rich cream is formulated with an advanced multi-peptide blend to intensely nourish smooth and firm skin's appearance. An innovative combination of some ingredient that I can't pronounce. And to help target fine lines and wrinkles to give you a more youthful looking complexion. So I am very excited about this. I will definitely try this tonight, I think, because you guys, every time I try something from Naturium, I'm always like, I love you. Like I love you so much. So this sounds like it's gonna be right up my alley because I am a dry skin girl and I am like definitely trying to do a little anti-aging, you know what I mean? So very excited for that. Then I just got this actually yesterday from The Ordinary. So they sent over the nightly set. So in here there's the hyaluronic acid, retinol emulsion, and then cold pressed rose hip seed oil, which honestly I've never used before. So let me show you guys. Everything in here is full size. So I'm assuming this is like their holiday kit. And it's a $37 value and it's only retailing for $25, which I think is really cool. So this is the hyaluronic acid, this is the retinol And then this is the rose hip seed oil. I actually am going to do a little research on the oil because, like I said, I've never used it before, but I have heard of it. But I am very interested to see like what it's all about and what it does. So I will keep you guys updated on that as well. I absolutely love Salt Air. If you guys didn't know that about me, well, now you know. Every time I get a PR box from them, I'm always like, oh my God, I love you guys so much. So they just launched a brand new body oil. If you guys didn't know, they're very known for their body oils. And they launched a shimmering body oil in their viral scent, Sandhill Bloom. And you guys, I am so... Thor. Of course, Thor's always yelling at somebody outside, but I am so frigging excited for this. Like, look at how this glistens. Maybe I'll just like, maybe I'll do like a little swatch. Let's see. Let me shake it actually. Does it say to shake? Yeah, it says shake well. So let's see. So this is, oh, I can definitely smell it. I'm putting it on like my forearms right now. Let's see. Love their body oils, you guys. Oh. And it feels a little bit drier than their other ones, but I actually like that because I feel like since it has shimmer, it'll kind of like last longer. Can you guys see? You can definitely see that I'm like glowing. Yeah, I can see the shimmer in person. Yeah, I can definitely see it. Oh, and it smells freaking incredible. So thank you so much, Salt Air, you guys. Again, if you haven't tried them and you're into body oils, 10 out of 10, I recommend. Okay, this next box was actually like a surreal moment for me when they reached out to me. They reached out to me actually this past week, and then I got this package a few days later. It's from Moroccan Oil. Yeah, Moroccan Oil. You guys, let me just show you. So they sent over a ton of like their body wash samples, but this is pretty much the scalp line from them and this PR box. You guys are not ready. Like, do you see this? So they sent over their purifying scalp scrub, their scalp balancing conditioner and shampoo, and then this oil, which I don't know what it is. It's a revitalizing scalp tonic, fuller looking hair daily leave-in. Ooh, this, I will definitely be trying this because this looks like something, yeah, definitely up my alley. But you guys, this is what I'm saying. Like, when I receive stuff like this is stuff that like bigger influencers get, and I'm just like, this is such a full circle moment for me. Like, whenever I get something, I'm like always so grateful because I never thought that, like, I never dreamed that I'd be on a PR list, you know what I mean? And then the fact that I get stuff like this is just such an incredible like full circle moment. So now that we're done with all of the PR, let me just kind of quickly show you guys what I picked up from Ulta. It's nothing too exciting, but I figured I would show you anyway. So I picked up some mighty patches, some pimple patches, because you guys, my skin, I don't know if it's the change in weather, like I'm not sure what it is. My skin has kind of been like going through it, like specifically on my chin. You can't really tell right now because I have makeup on, but I don't know what's been going on. So I was like, we need some patches because whatever's happening can't be. And then I was actually upset because I didn't have the one I always get, but obviously I've already used it. So I picked up the Duo Active Lash Glue in the clear version, which it actually is clear, but I always pick up the black version. And I feel like the black version of this like holds better than this version. Like, this version did the job. Like, I used it over here, but then for some reason this lash today would not stick, and I had to use whatever was left of the black one, and now it's sticking. So I don't know if it's like me or what, but it's not bad, but I do prefer the black one over this one. I need to play around with it a little bit more because it's the literal same exact like brand and the same everything. Like, I just buy it in the black version because I always wear black liner. But yeah, I don't know. I need to like figure that out because for some reason it's not sticking the way I would like it to. And then I haven't tried this yet because I actually kind of want to do a TikTok on this. This is brand new from NYX, by the way. The holiday kits from NYX are insane. I was in Ulta last week and it literally, first of all, looked like Christmas threw up in there, and I was like, we need to like take it down a notch because that's a little crazy. But I feel like NYX, like their holiday selection looked really cool. And this gloss, you guys, come on. It literally looks like the new Fenty like gloss. I think she launched it in like a peachy shade. They did have a shade like that, but this one Obviously, I went with like the nudie brown one, and yeah, I cannot wait to try this. Hey, you guys, so that completes this video. I kind of wanted to do a PR haul for YouTube, like I said, because I always do them on TikTok, and YouTube is kind of where, not kind of, it's literally where I started like this journey. Let me just kind of sit down and like share it with YouTube, because again, this is where I started everything. Let me know if you guys want this to kind of be like a weekly thing, if you guys want to kind of see like a PR unboxing, PR haul. Let me know in the comments, and I will definitely do that for you. Yeah, so that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.